proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. These are the GRABs. So we have 4 sizes, 3, 4, 6, and 8 inches. Now, what is this for? This is normally used when you're trying to put wood or metal together. You're gonna put it here on the space. So you have to screw it, either you tighten it or you loosen it. You just circulate the screw. So kapag gagamitin mo siya, kailangan mo maglagay ng dalawang objects. For example, if nilagay ko siya sa table sa edge right here, isa-screw ko lang ng tighter para magkasama yung dalawa. So kapag naglagay ako ng edging para sa wood, sa table na gagawin ko, example, then kailangan ko talaga may nagsusupport, lalo na may isa lang akong gagawa. But it's not limited to carpentry and welding or wood and metal only. It has a lot of purpose. It depends on you, how you will use this one. So I have brought an example right here. I took 2 pieces of wood. So this one, right? Oh, okay, it's almost sakto. So I will have to turn it tighter. Okay, it's loosening. Okay, there. Wait, go. So this is it. I have tightened it as an example. For example, you're gonna put a stick. You have already put the stick weld in between them. So this will help you dry it out, or kapag magpapako ka here or here or anywhere you need, at least naka-fixed siya. Then this is my personal favorite, the big one. Even though the small one is really cute, but this one takes my interest because it has more purpose for me. Because when I'm at home, I personally use this size. It's a 6 inch. But I have seen the 8 inch and I have been thinking that this would be useful, especially when there's bigger things that we have to do at the house. That is all what I can do today for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something. Feel free to comment, message us on YouTube or Facebook. Feel free, reach out to us, and thank you so much. Please do look forward to our future videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.